This is Chris Penrose, and I'm excited to be with you today to talk about NVIDIA's annual report on AI for the telco space. We actually just released our fourth version of this, fourth annual year we're doing it. And we got some pretty interesting, insights this year. It's always interesting, but there's some exciting changes that have taken place, and I'll highlight some of the key things we've seen that are new year over year. The first thing I would say is that there's always a worry that are we getting the return on the investment with AI? And what came across really loud in this report is that 90% of the respondents said that AI is already helping them either increase annual revenues or drive down costs. So this is a huge statement in the fact that they really are seeing value and seeing we saw also significant lifts in those they're seeing 5 to 10% or more impacts to their business year over year as well. We also saw a corresponding increase in the planned spend for telcos year over year, jumping from 65% saying that they were going to increase spending on AI in 2024 to 89% saying they're going to increase spending year over year, in 2025. So this again ties off that the reason they're increasing their spend is because they're seeing the benefits both on driving internal cost savings as well as driving new revenue generation. Plus, there are two more things that I think really came across this year in the report. The first was the importance of the network itself and applying AI to the transformation of the network. And many telcos are moving down the path toward autonomous networks, and they're beginning to see the opportunity to really lean into AI, generative AI, agentic AI, and automation to make that a reality. So this has now become the number one use case and exceeding customer care and other IT workloads. Along with that, we asked some new questions this year around where this is going to intersect from them becoming AI native companies, and will 6G be the place where they're going to be really trying to apply AI, or is it going to be sooner than that? And this was also unique in the fact that 77% of the respondents said they expect to see the application of AI and the building out of AI native networks before we get to 6G. And so this is, again, showing that the importance that the telco community is putting on the desire to move AI into applying it into the network itself to drive spectral efficiency, to drive energy efficiency, to drive increased performance and personalization of services. And so this, I think, is another really telling point. And so all this comes together. The report is actually released officially today. You can get it on NVIDIA.com and look up the Telco State of AI report. And we are very excited to share all of these great insights and many more that you'll be able to find in the report.